I've bought some shelving and I'm busy making round chopping boards for a school, and this is the process. I've put a board in here that I've cut to 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters, and now we're going to set it to go. Now on halfway through the board already. Okay, one-handed job is not easiest to do. And that's that, done. Another nice board, which now I can sand. It's not too bad at all. Here's my collection of boards so far, and this is the process. Sand them, sand them on the salt polisher machine, polish the edges. I want the board turned out like afterwards, after taking it up and rounding the corners. Smooth. First sand.